What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Matt DIY. So happy to have you here. And actually, you might have noticed we didn't have a video last week, and that's because we're just wrapping things up on this S80 and really didn't have any content to post. But we're here. We got the 2004 Volvo S80 all finished up, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. Alrighty, folks, so here we have it. This is the 2004 Volvo S80 2.5T all-wheel drive complete Copart rebuild. And as you can see, I think she looks pretty fantastic for 2004. So let's just take a little walk around. You can see the fender there is a little wonky. I'm not too worried about it. It's a junkyard fender that I actually was able to use. I pretty much got it for free in the same color, so I was like, you know what, we're going to use that one. The hood is also a junkyard hood with a little bit of polishing and whatnot. As you can see, came out pretty good. I mean, it has a couple dings and scuffs here and there, but I mean, this is almost a 20-year-old vehicle, so it's not a big deal. Front end looking fresh, guys. We got those headlights. I wish cars still did this. This is, you can't tell, but this is all glass headlight, none of that plastic crap that's on cars today. Those things are not going to fade, and they look like the day they came out of the shop, which is awesome. We got the junkyard bumper, which I think I got for about $100. Not too bad. It's got a few dings and dents. It's got one little crack down there. Again, though, this isn't a showroom vehicle for, 2004 that I'm putting back on the road and driving. I figured, what the heck, we'll go junkyard on this one. So yeah, we'll just continue with the walk around here. Came out really good. And I'll just take you to the back where we've got the S80 badge there. Top of the trunk, I did some polishing. She came out real nice, and I waxed the whole thing too. And yeah, so there's that side there. So, give you a little bit of overview of the interior. Oh, she's actually locked. All right, got her unlocked. So here's the interior, guys. And honestly, again, 17 years old, not too shabby in my opinion. There's not a rip seat in this thing. Of course, I got it detailed and all cleaned up, so it smells great. All right, go look at the passenger here, and you see it's got like, a mark here and there in the seat. The center console's a little bit torn. We've got some wear there, but the floor mats, those are the original floor mats, guys. And here's the dash. You can see, I mean, it just looks really nice for its age. And this is a super comfy car. If you haven't sat in one of these seats, I'd argue these are probably some of the most comfortable seats any car company has ever produced. Super comfy. I mean, they hug you like a couch. I went ahead and actually reconditioned them with some leather conditioner, which is basically like some vitamin E type stuff. I believe that's what it is, and it just brought it back amazingly. Here's another look at the front. Yeah, it just looks great. Runs like a top, guys. The whole new suspension is brand new, so I'm talking control arms, sway bars, tie rods, all that stuff, brand new. We also went ahead, we did new wipers. We did, one of the headlights was broken, so that one's actually a junkyard headlight. Brand new tires all the way around. The other ones were pretty dry rotted. And we got brand new brakes. As you can see right here, we got brand new calipers even on the front, because they needed replaced, with brand new pads and rotors as well. All brand new, looking fresh. Yeah, so she's all done. So I know what you guys all want to know is, what do we have in this thing? What's it worth? How'd this rebuild turn out? Well, I'll tell you right now, I did this rebuild because I like working on Volvos, and to me, they're just really cool cars. I mean, look at this. Some people might call me old-fashioned, or that I like grandpa vehicles or something, but I don't know. When I look at this thing, it looks pretty cool, guys. I mean, in its time, it was a luxury vehicle. I mean, this is the highest end sedan that Volvo made, and we got it right here. So anyways, we picked this thing up for a $400 winning bid at Copart. Out the door, I think it was $600. You can see the new tires there. So $600 out the door, with all parts and everything, including the inspection stickers, PA enhanced inspection, everything with the title work to get her back on the road and legal. We are sitting at $2,900, guys, for this 2004 Volvo S80 that has 140,000 miles. Now, to me, that's awesome. The Kelly Blue Book on this thing, not super high, right around 4,500 at the max, probably more realistically around 3,800, which isn't a lot, but we're only in it for 29. And I'm gonna have a lot of trouble parting with this thing if I do sell it. If I don't, this is just gonna become my highway vehicle, and I'm gonna enjoy it because it is super comfortable. I can't explain it. If you've never driven one, you know what, you might want to. It's so comfy. But love this thing, love the way it came out. It was a fun project. Did need a lot of suspension work, and it's not my favorite, but still it gives you that sense of satisfaction when you're done. When you finally do it, especially on this car with the ball joints, which if you haven't seen it, I got a video on those. That can be a real pain. Doing all that and making it all new is a real great sense of satisfaction. So there it is, guys. 2,900 bucks, 2004 S80, all complete. Everything is done. I actually haven't taken it on a long trip yet, but I'm going to here soon because it drives like a dream, runs great, smells great now that the interior is detailed. Didn't have a detailing video this time, I know, but that's just because I was trying to get things done, wrapped up here quickly. So I just went ahead and showed you the interior today. But yeah, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think for $2,900 on this S80, and that's doing everything and doing everything right. You know, nothing's done halfway on this thing. She's ready to take another 100,000 miles. So we are good to go. All right, thanks for tuning in there, guys. Really appreciate it on this journey for the 2004 S80. Really enjoyed working on it. For $400 at Copart, guys, I think we stole this thing. I mean, this is a great, reliable car for me or for somebody else if I end up selling it. You know, that college student or family doesn't have a lot of money out there. This would be a nice, reliable vehicle for them to go anywhere they need. It's literally like brand new now. So I'm real happy with how it came out. And for 2,900 bucks, I don't think I can go wrong. You know, whether I keep it or sell it, we're doing just fine. So anyways, guys, appreciate it having you here through this journey. If you enjoyed the content, be sure to like this video. It really helps me out with getting me out there. Subscribe to the channel if you like automotive type things. There'll be more to come. Not sure what the next project is. Next video, we're going to talk a little bit about that. But subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. We're really getting up there in the 400s, which is pretty cool. So, yeah, I'd really appreciate that, guys. And until next time, get out there. Do it yourself.